Roger that. 763 is up.
Gentlemen, top 19. Multiple aircraft, multiple bogies. Trading is half over. Competition for the Top Gun trophy remains tight. First place, Vipers. Second place, Vipers. 2 points behind.
Here they are. 3 miles left, 10 o'clock. I don't think they see us yet.
Okay, I see them. 2 A-4s, left 10 o'clock level, continue left turn.
Good morning, gentlemen. The temperature's 110 degrees. Holy shit, it's Viper! Viper's up here. Great! Oh, shit. Great. He's probably saying, holy shit, it's Maverick and Goose.
Yeah, I'm sure he's saying that.
I've got my eye on the northern bogey.
Roger, I got the southern guy.
Hollywood, you've got the lead, I'll cover you.
Break now, Justin.
Hollywood, we're losing Viper. Let's just stay on jet.
Roger, I'm on him.
Goose, find Viper. He's out there somewhere.
Stay with Hollywood, man. We're covering his wing.
Goose, there's Viper. 3 o'clock low.
Stay with Hollywood, man. We're his cover. Don't you leave me, Maverick.
Hollywood, you're looking good. I'm going after Viper.
God damn you, Maverick. Mav, don't leave him.
Goose, Hollywood's okay. I want Viper. Stand by. Viper's coming down.
Holy shit, we're head to head. I can't believe we're doing this.
Rock and roll! Here's our chance. It's a big one, Goose. Come on, goddammit.
Come on, man. Keep coming.
Okay, side window, business to left. Come on. Come on, baby.
Come around, come around. That's it. That's